Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dart Tutorial series. In this video, we will explore one of the most used data structures in the list. We will start with basics, move to built-in methods, and then advanced operations you will actually use in Flutter project. So first of all, what is list? A list is simply an ordered collection of items, like an array. In other languages, so we see a simple example here. We create a list of fruits, apple, banana, mango, and print it fruits. Okay. And see, apple, banana, and mango. Here is our output. Here, fruits is the list of strings, and elements are stored in order. Now we see how to access things and modify element of list. Okay. Simply, you can access by index and also update with usually easy. So here is see simple example. So see, first of all, what we do, we print zero index element. Okay, is the apple. Then we what we do, we update element at one index means banana with orange. Okay, so what is the next output will be apple, orange, and mango. Okay, so we can save and run. See apple, orange, banana. First we print new index, then we update banana with orange and print list. Okay, now we move to the common list methods. Okay, simply here is our list numbers 10, 12, 13. Okay, so first of all, what we do, first we add, second then we add all, remove, insert. Those are the basic common list methods. Okay, that provides powerful list methods for adding, removing, inserting, and merging. Okay, the first one is what to do, add a single element. Okay, add single element in a list at a last in. Okay, after 30. Okay, so what we do, we say here. Okay, what to always simply comment this sound. Let's see. See, 10, 12, 30, then what we do, we add 40. Okay, so we print 10, 12, 30, or 20. Okay, then what we do, we add one means we add another list in numbers list. Okay, what 50, 60. Okay, so we save and print. See 10, 12, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now what we do, we remove. Here we what to do, we pass a value. Okay, we pass this here. So remove element by value. Okay, we save and see 10, 12, 40, 30 be removed using remove method. Okay, now what is insert? Insert is a add element with a specific index. Okay, so what we do, we add one index, we add 50. Okay, so we save and see that one index is 50. Okay, so this is basic command method. Now we move to the iterator to work on this. Okay, see implement this. Okay, also in this, see what we do. First we print using for loop. Okay, so save it and then see apple mango. Okay, we can simply do it with for it. For which it iterator overlays method. Okay, so we can just save it. See, also do same things as a for loop. Okay, now we move to the advanced list operations. even numbers. Okay, so numbers we declare here representative dot paired. Okay, paired is we use this operator to specific create list. Okay, so what we do n equal by true equal 0. Here we get events. Okay, so this is even list. What we do simply comment this it can be because all three values is given by 2. Okay. Then we move to the square, same as here. Okay. See and here. Okay. We make a square of numbers. Okay. The n multiply n. Okay. We return value to it, make single item, then is item flow to the main number. Okay. Then we print square. Okay. So we calculate 1, 2, 4, 3. Now what we do? We move to the any. Now what any do? Any do is return value. Okay, this any one value is in this condition. Okay, so n is greater. Okay, so here is one value n equal 30. So now one value is still 150. Okay, so it return first one here we get. Now one value is greater than 50 in a list. Okay, what if we add 60? Okay, then we save. See, it's good. Now we use even. Okay, its value for a time new value twist but related. Okay. Now what is MD2? MD2 is what to do. It will use every element. Check condition is if true for all elements, then it's returned true. Okay. Same as we do any for any. Okay. This is the same way we do conditions. Okay. Now what we do? Now we move to the separate operator now. Okay. So we simply create two lists. First list is 1, 2, 3. Second list is 4 and 5. Okay. What we do, we now we combine it. See, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 3 dot 3? 3 dot 3 is a value twice list. Okay. Now we print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now what we do? Now we create a simple list integer operation list and add no label things. Okay. And return. See, if anything you list of now then our replacement but here is zero. Okay. And this lane is not. So it's not print. What should it be? Whether when you like one share see is print because operation is variable is not null. Here if it's null, then it's not print in a list or bypass to again in the result. Okay. So there is a complete guide to list in that from basic to advanced methods. Okay. Next, we will explore another powerful collection set. We will duplicate are not allowed. Okay. Like, subscribe, and let's move to the next video.